Hi, I'm Hari Krishna. You are watching High School TV by Hari. Today's topic is real numbers exercise 1.1 and it is the third question. Question is an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here they are asking two questions. Two groups are to march in the same number of columns. We have to find the same number of columns for the two groups, and that is the maximum number of columns. These are the two questions. An army contingent of 616 members, it is a one group, is to march behind another army band of 32 members. It is the second group. Given that total number of persons in an army contingent. Total number of persons in an army contingent. It is a 616 members. And same total number of persons in an army band. Is equals to 32 members. These are the two groups. Maximum and same number of columns is equals to HCF, highest common factor of 616 and 32. HCF of 616 and 32. Always bigger number will be the dividend and smaller is the divisor. Now HCF 32 into 19, it is a 608. Subtraction 616 minus 608 is 8. This is the remainder and this becomes a divisor, and previous divisor is the dividend. Now 8 fours 32. 32 minus 32 is 0. Here last divisor is the 8, that is the HCF. HCF is equals to 8. So this is the answer. HCF of 616 and 32 is equals to 8. We can arrange the two groups in 8 number of columns. It is the maximum, and it is the same for the two groups. We can arrange 616 and 32 with the same 8 number of columns. Detailed explanation. Arrangement of 32 members, and it is the arrangement of 616 members. Columns, rows, columns, rows. 32 persons can be arranged as 1 into 32. 1 column, 32 rows. 2 16s, 32. 2 columns, 16 rows. Or 4 columns, 8 rows. 8, 4, 16, 2. 32 columns, 1 row. Similarly, arrangement of 616 members. 1 column, 616 rows. 2 into 308. 2 columns, 308 rows. 4, 154. 7, 88. Dash dash 616, 1. We can arrange 32 persons as 1 column. Here it is also we can arrange this 616 members in one column, and it can be arranged in two columns and two columns. It can arrange as with taking four columns. Here 8, here 7, and common. What is the common? 8 columns. 16 here we don't have 16 columns, and 32. We cannot arrange the 616 members in 32 columns. We can arrange the 32 members and 616 members in same number of columns, and maximum is 8. The common is 8 and it is the answer 8. Finally, actual arrangement, it is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. These are the columns, and 1 2 3 4 5 up to 81. These are the rows. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 persons. 1 2 3 4. 8 into 4 32. 32 army band completed arrangement in 8 columns, and remaining 1 to 81 rows. These are the rows, these are the columns. 81 into 8. 81 into 8 we get a 648. 648, how it came? 648. Yeah, 32 persons plus 616 persons. 616 plus 32. We get it is a addition 648. Total we can arrange 648 members with the same number of columns is 8. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share.